Hello and welcome to ChatGPT Unprotects Worksheet and much more. My name's Jeff, I'm glad you're here. Let's just jump right in. I recently came to discover that you can upload Excel files to ChatGPT, ask it to do some things, and then download the results. So in this video, I want to walk through a couple of examples. Exercise 1. In this exercise, we'll have ChatGPT remove worksheet protection. In case you're not sure how this works, let me go ahead and turn on worksheet protection. Basically, I'm going to select a range of cells that I want to allow people to edit. I'm going to open the Format Cells dialog and I'm going to uncheck this locked checkbox. Then I'm going to click OK. Then I'll do the same thing for this range. Then I'll click OK. Now I'm going to go to the Review tab and I'm going to protect the worksheet. Now if I click OK, I'll protect the worksheet. I could optionally add a password that would be required to unprotect the sheet. First, let's start with no password. I click OK. Now, I can change anything in the unlocked cells, but I'm not allowed to change anything in the locked cells. If I try, I get this error message. Now I'm going to save this workbook and I'm going to close it. And let's go to ChatGPT. And let's just ask it, if I upload an Excel file, can you remove worksheet protection? And it looks like it says that it can. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the file. Select the file and I click OK. Now let's send it up. It gives us a preview and then it says I have removed the worksheet protection from the file and now you can download it. So I click download. And let's go ahead and save the file. And now I'm going to open the file. Now as with any download, it starts in protected view, so I'm going to enable editing. And now if I go to the Review tab, I can certainly confirm that this worksheet protection has been removed. So what's really interesting here is that we can actually upload Excel files directly to ChatGPT and it has the ability to work on it and then send us the updated file. Now in my testing, it was very easy for it to remove worksheet protection when there's no password. When I have applied a password, then I get mixed results. Sometimes it was able to unprotect it, other times it wasn't. So your mileage may vary. So that's one interesting example. Let's go to the next. Exercise 2. In this example, we're going to ask ChatGPT to actually write some formulas inside of our worksheet. So let's go to ChatGPT and we'll say, if I upload an Excel workbook, can you write some formulas for me? And it says yes. Let's send it the file. Okay, it gives us a little preview and a little summary. Now let's tell it to write us some formulas. Please write a formula in column E that will compute the extended amount. Write the formulas in the file and give me a download when done. I've added the formulas to compute the extended column in column E. Let's download it and take a look. And let's open the workbook. Okay, so it looks like it got kind of close. It tried to do the formula for the header row, so we'll just say extended. And then it also didn't fill this formula down as far as it needed to go. But the really interesting thing to me is we send a file, we tell ChatGPT which changes to make directly to that file and download the result. And this is just really interesting. I've done some videos on how to use Copilot inside of Excel, so you may want to check those out. But if you don't have access to Copilot, this is a pretty interesting option. And let's do another example. Exercise 3. Here we have this worksheet that has a bunch of data, and let's see if ChatGPT can help us analyze it. So back to ChatGPT. If I upload an Excel file, can you help me analyze it? Yes. Great. Let's go ahead and upload the file. Send it. Create a graph that shows a summary of total amount by region. Okay, and it creates this chart. And we can download this, or we can update some settings, or we could switch to an interactive chart. But what I want to say is create a summary in the Excel file along with a chart that shows total amount by region so I can download the resulting Excel file. Great, let's download. save, and let's take a look at the file. All right, let's enable editing. Let's go to the Summary tab. And sure enough, we have our tabulated summary along with the corresponding chart. So this is an actual chart, so we are free to make any style changes that we want. Here we have the chart design and format tabs. So this is an actual chart that has been inserted by ChatGPT. Now, I'm sure I'm just scratching the surface here. I'm sure there are tons of other things ChatGPT can help with. So if you end up uploading an Excel file, having ChatGPT make some changes to that file and then downloading the results, I'd love to know what you did. So please post a comment below. Or if you have any other things you'd like me to experiment with, let me know in the comments. So I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Hey Excel user, if you ever need to create summary reports, check out my Pivot Table for Beginners video. It starts at the beginning and shows how to store the data transactions in a table and then how to summarize those transactions with a pivot table report. I hope it helps unlock the incredible power of pivot tables.
This video is a production of Excel University.